The Moto E4 raises the bar for phones hovering around the $100 mark. Complete with a fingerprint sensor, Android Nougat, a swappable battery and reliable performance, this phone gets its kicks by surprising the user at nearly every turn. A must-buy for those on a budget. The Moto E4 impresses off the bat with its slightly curved 2.5D glass panel, melding into the all-plastic chassis almost seamlessly. The small lip at the display's edge where the glass transitions to glossy plastic breaks the illusion a bit, but it doesn't impact its smooth feel in the palm. On its front, you'll find the usual suspects, like a front-facing camera, an LED flash and an earpiece that doubles as a speaker. More surprising an inclusion is the fingerprint sensor, which looks to be lifted from the Moto G5. The concave sensor is easy to find without looking for and it's as responsive and secure as ones you'll find in phones that cost 2 to 3 times as much. Around the phone sides, you'll find a 3.5mm headphone jack, a micro support for charging, and combo of volume rocker and notched power button along its right edge. Popping the plastic cover off reveals the battery, SIM slot and micro slot. People, including myself, love having the flexibility of swapping out a battery, so the fact that this phone offers it is a big plus.